Then I need all this thing, and all this thing make the connection.
I want to go because time no day.
I need to go deal with my family. You don't think we are coming for us. I don't understand you now. When I try to make me look like irresponsible father. Baba, I get children now and I get wife for house. Which kind talk about this ones now?
You know my guy now, no dey talk like that.
Okay. The apartment wanna carry. Who wanna live at for?
Sorry for the laugh.
Solo! Don't be you again.
Somebody say,
You can have the apartment.
It's all true. When I get out, I wanna tell no say I need rest. This my head they hot. I need to cool am down. You see that my last born, so that boy no deal. Let me sleep for night. He dey do me no good.
My brother, you need that. You say this resident apartment are the best in Urubi. No.
If you talk about security, now they get them. If you talk about hospitality, now they get them.
Exactly.
If you talk about 24 hours now, my brother, now they get them.
What else do you want?
We not be mama.
God forbid, I cast and bind and too. Catch fire. You see me so I want just rest my head, calm my head. I need to cheat on my wife, so that they no go cheat on me.
Sorry for the laugh.
No, I enjoy my brother. Shall we go now?
Go where? When I give you 2 bottles.
Oh no! This guy, don't worry, on our way out here.
You will be my enjoy.
Yeah.
Somebody say, aha. Yeah! You never see anything. Jesus. Ew. Hello, Oga.
Hello, Mr. Solomon.
Oga, beg no verse. I get emergency this morning. Now I rush carry my wife go hospital. As I dey follow you talk now, Oga, we see there for hospital, sir.
But your wife is here.
Sir?
She said you didn't sleep home.
Jesus!
By this time, you're not in the office. Okay, you know what? Hold on, let me give her the phone. Papa, light of the world, where you? Hello?